Here's the 2023 MOA showed. Yeah, here's Double Bell's booth. So I will introduce some new items for this year new items for you guys. Yeah. So this one is our new product, the Gen 12. Gen 12 with V2 gearbox. With V2 gearbox. Yeah. And with high cap magazines, and also can attach ETU. Attach the ETU inside. Yeah. And can go 3 shots per turn. You can programming. And here's our brand new internal with all CNC parts and the high quality motor. And also, this one is a brand new gas rifle, gas sniper rifle. It's N700s. With gas mag. Yeah, and the highest FPS is 500 FPS. Yeah. And also the new SI25 series. So those are regular ones. And also the M9094 tactical versions. With CO2 powered, CO2 gas.